we will see uniform bending. What is uniform bending? If a beam is loaded with equal weight on its both end, bending of the beam forms an arc of a circle. The elevation is produced in the beam. This type of bending is known as uniform bending. ரெண்டு நைஃப் எட்ஜஸ்க்கு நடுவில் ஒரு பீமை வச்சுட்டு அனதர் டூ எண்டில் வெயிட் கொடுத்தோன்னா அந்த பீம் வந்து சர்க்கிளுடைய ஆர்க் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி எலிமெண்ட்லேருந்து ஒரு ரேடியஸ் ஆஃப் கர்வேச்சர் வரைஞ்சோன்னா சர்க்கிளாக இருக்கும். அது யூனிஃபார்ம் பெண்டிங். ஸோ லெட் த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் CA is equal to BD is equal to small a. So consider a beam AB supported symmetrically on two knife edges loaded with equal weights W at each end. The reaction at the knife edges are equal to W. The reaction at the knife edges are equal to W. So that knife edges C and D. C and D. Similarly, that BAC distance is equal to BD distance. Between the two knife edges distance is L. Due to the load applied, the beam bends from the position E to F as an arc of a circle and produces the couple. Consider the equilibrium position. The force W acting vertically downward at the A. Downward, the force A at vertically downward. The opposite reaction produces C at upward direction. So the beam bends into an arc, the circle of radius R. Hence the bending in case said to be uniform. Therefore, internal bending moment is equal to external bending moment due to the force applied. In external bending moment, we can write it WA. Internal bending moment of the beam, we can write it YI by R. Taken this as equation as 1 and 2. For equilibrium position, the 1 and 2, these two equation will be equal. So we can write it WA is equal to YI by R. Therefore, the Young's modulus Y, we can write it WAR by I. So W is the applied load. It's equivalent to mg, mass anti-gravitational force. A is the distance between the one of the loads from the nearest knife edges. See the nearest knife edges A to C to A. Similarly, in the side D to B. That value is small a. R is the radius of curvature. Then I is the geometrical moment of inertia of the disc. From using the intersecting chord theorem. For intersecting chord theorem, two lines circle intersect ஆச்சுன்னா அந்த ரெண்டு லைன் ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகுது இல்லையா, அங்கேருந்து சென்டர்லேருந்து உள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸோடைய ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். That means here CE into ED is equal to FE into EG. This is the mathematical base. ரெண்டு லைனு சர்க்கிளில் இன்டர்செக்ட் ஆகக்குள்ள அதனுடைய ப்ராடக்ட் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குது. From this diagram we can say C to D is L. Cலேருந்து D வரைக்கும் இருக்கிற டிஸ்டன்ஸு L. அப்போது Cலேருந்து E வரைக்கும் இருக்கிறது L/2. ஸோ இது சிடிலேருந்து எலிவேஷன் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆனோடனே C to F ஆர்க் மாதிரி சர்க்கிளுடைய ஆர்க் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகிருக்கும். சர்க்கிளுடைய ஆர்க் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருந்ததுன்னா அதனுடைய ரேடியஸ் ஆஃப் கர்வேச்சர் என்னது? கேபிட்டல் ஆர். ஸோ இப்போ OFE வேல்யூ ஒய், EG வேல்யூ இஸ் 2R minus y. CD is equal to CE into ED is equal to F into EG. So L/2 into L/2 is equal to y into 2R minus 1. So we can write it L squared by 4 is equal to 2y to RY minus y squared. y is very small compared to r, we can neglect that y squared value. Now we can say 2ry is equal to L squared by 4. Then radius of curvature, we can write it here, L squared by 8y. இதுதான் அதனுடைய r உடைய வேல்யூ. இந்த r உடைய வேல்யூவை we can substitute that r value in the equation, third equation. Y is equal to WAR by 8L into y. So we will get it, the y value is WAL squared by 8I into y. This equation is expression for Young's modulus of a beam in uniform bending method. Then special cases. For a rectangular beam of breadth B and thickness D. So I, geometrical moment of inertia, we can write it BD cube by 12. Substituting this I value in y, we will get y value of the rectangular beam of breadth 3WAL square. But for a circular beam of radius r, I value becomes pi r power 4 by 4. Substitute this value in equation 5, we will get it, y value becomes WAL squared by 2 pi y r power 4. This is the Young's modulus experimental setup, pin and microscope method. The beam is fixed between two knife edges A and B. Then center, from A distance, the weight load is applied. From the knife edge B at A distance, the right hand side D, load is applied. The center point, we are fixing that one pin. The pin is focused by the traveling microscope. The experimental setup arrangement is shown, and the two sides weight hanger is fixed. We are applying the load. The load will be increased, W plus 50, W plus 100, 150, like this. Every reading we are taking, that reading is noted from the traveling microscope. Similarly, we are reducing the weight, decreasing load, decreasing value also noted. From that, we calculate the mean value, taken that as a y. Every time we are unloading that value. So unloading depression also noted on the traveling microscope reading. So the mean value is calculated. From that, we are applying the formula 3mgAL squared by 2BD cube y Newton per meter squared. Here B and D is the breadth and thickness of the beam.